In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, an infographic, or any creative project, a touch of highlighted text can make your content pop and direct your audience's attention to important details. Let's dive into the steps you need to make the most out of this feature. Begin your journey by navigating to the Canva design interface. When you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see a menu labeled Tools. It's your starting point for accessing various features within Canva. Click on that and a realm of options will become available to you. Among these options, you'll find a variety of graphic elements and text enhancements that can transform your design into something truly eye-catching. Now, after selecting Tools, cast your gaze down to the pencil icon. This nifty little tool represents the editing and customization functions that Canva offers. Click on the pencil icon and you'll see a cluster of creative tools at your disposal. These tools allow you to fine-tune your design and give it a personal touch. As you explore the options under the pencil icon, look for the highlighter tool. It's like a digital pen that's perfect for emphasizing sections of your text. Click on the highlighter and you're now equipped to add vibrant color to your text. This feature is great for bringing attention to specific details within your design, making them stand out effortlessly. Now comes the fun part, highlighting the text itself. First, find the section of text you wish to highlight. To do this effectively, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This is a handy tip to ensure that your text remains selected as you apply the highlight. With the Shift key held down, simply drag your cursor over the portion of text you want to emphasize. Voila! Your text is now bathed in color, standing proud against the backdrop of your design. Remember, adjusting the color and intensity of your highlights can be just as significant as the act of highlighting itself. Consider the color scheme of your entire design to ensure that your highlights complement the rest of your project while still standing out. Soft pastels might offer a subtle emphasis, while bright neons can deliver a more dramatic effect. There you have it, a straightforward method to highlight text in Canva that can enliven your designs with just a few clicks. Reiterate your process if you have multiple sections to highlight, and don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and styles to discover what best suits your creative vision. With these easy steps, your Canva projects will not only convey information, but also capture your audience's attention, making every piece of highlighted text an effective focal point in your design masterpiece. Enjoy creating and let your creativity shine through.